Made from 65% recycled plastic. 3-ply, no-tear technology. Fits pans measuring up to 22 inch by 18 inch. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to clean. These bags have greatly reduced the amount of time, muscle, and cleaning products used when cleaning my cat's litter boxes. I have 2 cats and 2 boxes, and once a month I empty out the litter, clean the box, and put fresh litter in. It has always been a dirty, time-consuming job, but these bags make it a breeze. I was afraid my cats would tear the bags apart, but they don't. There are a few holes poked in every once in a while, but the bags are not shredded and hold up very well. I put a few paper towels under the bag in case it leaks and haven't had any problems. After I put in the bags, I sprinkle some baking powder and then pour in the litter. My cats have no problems using the litter box with the liner, and now there is no more scraping waste off the box, soaking with soap and water or Lysol. I gather the bag closed and put it in another plastic shopping bag in case of litter escaping out of holes. I still spray the boxes with Lysol to get rid of litter dust that accumulates, but it is so easy compared to before when I had to wear plastic gloves and soak the litter box to remove litter caked in the bottom. The corners of the bags can be a problem because they can collect urine, so I have to keep them folded. The bags could be a little more box-shaped, but they work out much better than I was expecting, and I am very happy to have found these.